Root canal treatment is done to reduce the pain or sensitivity which is the result of infection caused by caries, trauma, fracture, large filling, secondary caries that are irreversibly inflamed and damaged. Root canal treatment not only repairs and save the tooth but also prevent the tooth from further damage. If infectious tooth remain untreated, it may cause complications such as discoloration, loss of tooth structure, food lodgement, formation of pus, abscess at the root, swollen gums leading to halitosis or bad breath. This might also result in swelling and pain of head, neck and face, which if left untreated might lead to death. Root canal treatment is very common and has success rate of 95%. Root canal treated tooth, if taken proper care, can last for lifetime. The root canal procedure is usually painless if done under local anesthesia, but might also be painful depending on the condition of tooth. If you have a tooth pain, then kindly get it checked whether it requires a root canal or not. To get the best root canal done in Bangalore, you can call our Pearl Dental Clinic at 9632496064 or can book an appointment online at www.drmitali.com. Thank you very much.